In this video, we're going over the top check engine light code problems in this 2004 to 2008 Nissan Maxima. The first code we're going to talk about is the P0455, which has to do with the EVAP system. If you get this code before you stress out, check your gas cap. Your gas cap might have been loose, or it might not have a good seal. Check the seal on the gas cap. So check that stuff out before you even get involved in anything with this. But the common failure for this code is actually the EVAP vent valve, which is located right above here. It's a little bit tricky to get to, but not too bad. The symptoms you're going to find with this is the check engine light, and you're probably not going to see any drivability issues. It's actually a valve that opens and closes, and it's part of the emission system. So when it's failing, it's not closing properly and not doing its job. Next, let's talk about the P0345 and P0340, which actually has to do with the camshaft position sensors located right here and also on the other head in the back. The symptoms you're going to have with these codes, obviously a check engine light, but you may have a stalling condition, or the sensors themselves can actually leak oil. They're fairly easy to replace. You just disconnect this connector right here. You push down on this tab, slide the connector off, just like that. Remove that 10mm bolt, take the sensor out, put the new sensor in, put the bolt back in, tighten it up, and put the connector back on. Lock it down, clear the code, you should be good to go. Last, let's talk about the P0021, which has to do with the IVT solenoid valve, which is located right here. This happens to be the bank 2 solenoid valve. You also have one on the bank 1, but that's underneath the intake. The IVT actually stands for intake valve timing, which most vehicles, they call them VVTs, but this one only controls the intake timing, which is the airflow into the cylinders. When these valves go bad, you may notice some drivability issues, and again, you're going to notice the check engine light. It is crucial to make sure you change your oil regularly and make sure it's up to par, so you don't prematurely wear these valves out. There's our top engine code problems for this Nissan Maxima. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.